In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and divide cells in a spreadsheet. Whether you're using Excel, Google Sheets, or a similar tool, these simple formulas will let you combine values without typing numbers manually. When I say box, I'm referring to a cell in your spreadsheet. Let's start with adding two cells. Click into the cell where you want your result to appear. This is important because whatever you type next will create the formula in that spot. Type an equal sign. The equal sign is how spreadsheets know you're entering a formula, not plain text. Now click on the first box you want to add. You'll see that the cell's name, like A1 or B2, appears in your formula. Type a plus sign. The plus sign tells the spreadsheet you want to add the next value. Then click on the second box you want to include. At this point, your formula will look something like equals A1 plus B1. Press enter to finish. The cell will now display the sum, and it will update automatically if either of the source cells changes. A few quick tips while you're adding. Clicking cells is usually more reliable than typing their names because it avoids typos. If you make a mistake while typing, just use backspace to correct it before you press enter. And if your result doesn't look right, double check that both cells contain numbers, not text. Now let's divide one cell by another using a similar approach. In another cell, where you want the result to appear, type an equal sign to start a new formula. Click on the box you want to use as the numerator, the value being divided. Type a /. The slash is the division symbol in spreadsheets. Then click on the box you want to use as the denominator, the value you're dividing by. Press enter to complete the formula. You'll see the quotient right away. A couple of helpful notes about division. If the second cell is blank or contains 0, most spreadsheets will show an error because you can't divide by 0. Make sure the denominator has a valid number. Also, division often produces decimals. That's normal, and you can leave it as is or adjust the display later if needed. That's it. By typing an equal sign, selecting your cells, inserting either a plus sign for addition or a slash for division, and pressing enter, you've created two essential spreadsheet formulas that update automatically and keep your data accurate.